to Chateau's Advent Calendar Vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video. As a big surprise, today's Advent Calendar vlog is coming from the Christmas market in Tallinn, Estonia. As you'll see in this week's Chateau Diaries, which will be out later today, Michael isn't with me. He's back in Baminya with his family, and so we've decided to see who can find the best Christmas market whilst we're apart. And Michael found Playmobil versions of ourselves so that we don't get left out of each other's fun. I am in Christmas heaven. What about you, Michael?
Well, we came to the Christmas market and it's too packed. There's too many people.
Oh dear, Rennes in France is looking a bit crowded, whereas Tallinn is just peaceful, Christmassy loveliness. The minute Michael and I stepped into the Christmas market, it started snowing. How perfect is this? It's really Christmas now. I'm in Christmas Wonderland. In fact, it's so festive and lovely here that even the army are having selfies taken in front of the Christmas tree. Now I'm going to go and look for some Christmas treats and especially mulled wine to warm me in this weather. Mason bearing mulled wine. The army are having a selfie by the Christmas tree. I want the glug. We're going to fight over the glug. I wonder how Michael's getting on back in France.
Unfortunately, Stephanie, the Christmas market was so full, there were so many people that we couldn't even get in. So, I'm taking Mini Steph to the fun fair. So, Mini Stephanie is going to go on that. Good luck.
Okay, Michael, I can see you're bringing out the big guns with the fun rides, and I'm sure Mini Stephanie's having a whale of a time on there, but I'm consoling myself with the amazing food here. Look, sauerkraut with berries, astonishing stews with herbs. Can you find delicious sausages served with berries and parsley there? I've got blood sausage at a Christmas market. How is it? Oh, it looks good.
That was awful. I wouldn't recommend it. I hated it. Steph, she loved it.
I thought that ride looked unwise. Luckily, you hadn't had the amount of food I've just had before getting onto it. Well, luckily, there's been none of that ride nonsense here, so my stomach's fine and I can keep on eating delicious things, which Mini Michael's pretty excited about. They're actually salted pancakes with cheese. It's so delicious. And there's loads of dill. Oh my god, it's so good. And there's snow. Have you got snow? Have you got snow? And I found Santa's home. Turns out he lives in this little house in the middle of Tallinn's Christmas market. I even have proof. Look, I've spotted him. And forget mulled wine, we have upgraded to mulled Calvados. This is really, really good. Mulled Calvados and Santa's house. And this is the sort of magical Christmas market where it feels completely normal to see a Viking trying to sell Mason a hat. Michael's very drawn to the white fur hat, but it's just a bit big. They don't have his size. Sorry, Michael. At least you've got your lovely fur cape on. What fun things. Oh, look. Michael's making friends. Oh, always hanging out with the locals, Michael. Come on, we've got to go and look around the rest of the market. How's your Christmas shopping going, Mason? What are you? You're buying a minion Viking hat?
It's for the hot Russian saunas. Have
It's
you not
a
seen
sauna
these?
hat.
Yeah, they're for the saunas, so you don't break your brain. I'm serious. They do sell them at the Russian baths.
You're joking.
No.
Are you literally not making this up?
No, see? Look, he's a sauna boss. But this one has a minion on it, which makes it more better.
Michael, I know why you're not here now. I found your nemesis. It's the Christmas Nemesis stall. Finally, Michael has his revenge on the rubber ducks. Who got the last laugh now, hey ducks?
Steph's in there somewhere. It'll be floating. There it is. Get it. I just put Mini Stephanie on the side to get a picture and she actually went for a swim.
Good grief, it looks dangerous and hectic over there, whilst here it's just a wonder of knitwear and gentleness. Do they have handmade floral socks over there, Michael? No, I didn't think so. Oh, it really is Christmas now. Now I'm going to find a Christmas decoration to take back to Tallinn so that I'll always remember this Christmas market in Tallinn. There we go. A golden lace fairy is coming home with me. Okay, I've definitely found the winning stall. You will even have to agree, there's nothing better than this. I mean, look at this, I am in heaven. It's all of my favourite food, breads and cakes and delicious charcuteries. I don't know where to start. And even Mini Michael's loving it. There's no getting him away from the bread section. I think he's holding out for one of those spiky, star-like Christmas cakes. Maybe the cheese stall will tempt him away. No, I'm sorry, Michael, but you will never be able to persuade me that toffee apples are as good as this.
Where is Mini Stephanie now? She's playing the slot machines.
Well, luckily Maxi Stephanie is not playing slot machines. I'm happily buying beautiful Baltic amber. Not to mention getting extremely tempted by a woolen cape. What do you think? I can't believe I found a red woolen locally made Christmas cape. I will wear that every single Christmas for the rest of my life and remember this heavenly time in Tallinn's Christmas markets. So I'm sorry, Michael, but I declare myself the clear winner. You are never going to be able to persuade me that Mini Stephanie is having a better time than me. Tallinn is the most magical Christmas market I've ever been to, and I would recommend it to anyone. Merry Christmas!